To begin, I have already placed a clip on my timeline, and how B-rolls work is that anything that you place above a video will get priority in showing on your video. So this is what a B-roll is, and the below your main timeline, whichever you choose to be your main timeline, will be your A-roll. And that's how this works. And you can even resize and place this video wherever you want. Usually a B-roll will take up the whole screen to just shift a scene to another. So this we can replace on the canvas. And a great thing with this editing software Flixier is that they have a free included stock media library that you can use and import. So for example, if we want a car to be our B-roll, we just have to place it inside and above our main timeline. We can fit it to canvas, and if you're talking about cars and you want to showcase a nice B-roll coming in, there you have it. You just split the clip up wherever you want it to end, and it's back to your original video. So that's how easy it is to use B-rolls in a project. Just remember that everything that goes above another video will show in front, and that's what's called B-roll. Now, if you want to learn more about video editing, make sure to check out the next video that's coming up, which is a complete tutorial, step-by-step, me editing a video live. So make sure to check it out if you want to learn more.